In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AliExpress account. By the end, you'll be ready to sign in and start exploring deals without any confusion. I'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to help you stay secure and avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type AliExpress and press enter. You don't need to memorize the web address, the search will bring it up for you. When the results appear, look for the official site. The correct link should be aliexpress.com. Double-check the spelling and look for the padlock icon next to the address, which indicates a secure connection. Avoid sponsored links that don't clearly show the official domain. Once you've opened the official homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account area. Depending on your region, it might say Account, Sign In, or a similar label. A small menu will appear. From there, look for the red Register button and click it. If you accidentally land on a sign-in page, don't worry. There's usually a Create Account option right there that takes you to the same registration flow. Now it's time to choose how you want to sign up. If you prefer the classic method, select your country, enter your email address, create a strong password, and then click Create Account. A strong password is at least 12 characters and mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password you use elsewhere. This method is straightforward and gives you a dedicated login just for AliExpress. If you want to move faster, choose Quick Sign Up by clicking one of the social icons at the bottom such as Google, Facebook, Apple, or Twitter. You'll be redirected to approve the connection and then brought back to AliExpress with your new account linked. This can save time, but make sure you remember which provider you used, so signing in later is seamless. After you've filled in your details and agreed to the terms and conditions, your account is ready. Take a moment to skim the terms so you know what you're agreeing to, and toggle off any optional marketing emails if you prefer a cleaner inbox. You may see a quick security check or verification prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions. From here, you can start browsing, set your shipping country and currency, and personalize your experience. For added peace of mind, consider enabling extra security features in your account settings later. That's it. Your AliExpress account is created and you're good to go.